Hi everybody! In this video, we will talk about cryptocurrency, its different types and its future. Thumbs up for the video. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be updated whenever a new video is uploaded. A cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services. It uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. A cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Since it is a virtual currency protected by cryptography, it makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. That is a distributed ledger, spread across a network of computers that manages and records transactions. Cryptocurrencies are distinguished by the fact that they are not distributed by any central authority, making them technically resistant to political intervention or manipulation. According to CoinMarketCap.com, a market research website, more than 6,700 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly. The overall value of all cryptocurrencies was more than $2.2 trillion on April 13, 2021, and the total value of all bitcoins, the most common digital currency, was about $1.2 trillion. According to CoinMarketCap, a cryptocurrency statistics and analytics firm, these are the top 10 traded cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Bitcoin, whose market capitalization is $1.2 trillion. Ethereum, whose market capitalization is $263.4 billion. Binance Coin, whose market capitalization is $87 billion. XRP, whose market capitalization is $81.8 billion. Tether, whose market capitalization is $45.4 billion. Cardano, whose market capitalization is $44.7 billion. Polkadot, whose market capitalization is $39.3 billion. Uniswap, whose market capitalization is $18.8 billion. Litecoin, whose market capitalization is $18.1 billion. Stellar, whose market capitalization is $14.9 billion. Bitcoin was the first blockchain-based cryptocurrency, and it is now the most common and valuable. Thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies exist today, each with its own set of features and requirements. Some are Bitcoin copies or forks, and others are brand new currencies created from the bottom up. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, a person or group who goes by the nickname Satoshi. There were over 18.6 million bitcoins in circulation as of March 2021, with a total market value of about $927 billion. Ethereum, a Bitcoin replacement, is a decentralized computing platform that allows smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, to be designed and run without the need for third-party downtime, theft, regulation, or intervention. Ethereum's mission is to build a decentralized suite of financial goods that everyone in the world, regardless of race, caste, or religion, will use for free. This feature heightens the consequences for some in certain countries, as those without access to state facilities and registration will obtain bank accounts, credit, insurance, and a host of other financial products. Ripple, XRP, is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that integrates with the Internet to provide a fast, direct, and secure way to transfer payments over the Internet. Ripple is a protocol for real-time gross transactions, RTGS, currency swap, and money transfer. Ripple Transaction Protocol, RTXP, or Ripple Protocol is another name for it. It's based on a decentralized open Internet protocol, a consensus ledger, and its currency, XRP. Tether was one of the first and most common of a class of cryptocurrencies known as stablecoins, which tend to minimize uncertainty by pegging their market value to a currency or other external reference point. Tether, which was established in 2014, describes itself as a blockchain-enabled network designed to promote the digital use of fiat currencies. Tether was the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization in January 2021, with a gross market capitalization of $24.4 billion and a per-token valuation of $1. Cardano is an Ouroboros proof-of-stake cryptocurrency developed by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography experts using a research-based methodology. Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's 5 original founding members, was a co-founder of the project. Cardano aims to be the world's financial operating system by creating decentralized financial goods in the same way that Ethereum does, as well as offering options for chain interoperability, election fraud, and legal contract tracking, among other items. Cardano has a market capitalization of $9.8 billion as of January 2021, and 1 ADA is worth 31 cents. Polkadot is a one-of-a-kind proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that aims to provide blockchain interoperability. Its protocol connects permission and permissionless blockchains, as well as oracles, allowing networks to collaborate under one roof. Polkadot's central feature is its relay chain, which enables network interoperability. For special use cases, it also allows for parachains, or parallel blockchains with their own native tokens. Gavin Wood, Ethereum project's core creators who had conflicting views on the project's potential, created Polkadot. Polkadot has a market capitalization of $11.2 billion as of January 2021, and 1 DOT is worth $12.54. Litecoin, which launched in 2011, was one of the first cryptocurrencies to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps and has been called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Charlie Lee, an MIT graduate, and former Google programmer designed it. Litecoin is based on an open-source global payment network that is not managed by any central authority and employs the script proof of operation, which can be decoded using consumer-grade CPUs. Litecoin has a market capitalization of $10.1 billion and a per-token valuation of $153.88, making it the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency in January 2021. The Stellar blockchain's cryptocurrency is called the Lumen, a token that trades under the symbol XLM. Stellar is one of the best-performing altcoins of the last 5 years with a market cap of just over $1 billion. Stellar was founded by Jed McCaleb, a founding member of Ripple Labs and developer of the Ripple protocol. He eventually left his role with Ripple and went on to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation. Stellar Lumens have a market capitalization of $6.1 billion and are valued at 27 cents as of January 2021. Now, what's the future of cryptocurrencies? The whole world is clearly divided when it comes to cryptocurrencies. On one side you have supporters like Bill Gates, Al Gore, and Richard Branson who say that cryptocurrencies are better than regular currencies. On the other side, we have people completely against it. People like Warren Buffett, Paul Krugman, and Richard Schiller call it a Ponzi scheme and means for criminals. By the year 2030, cryptocurrencies would occupy 25% of national currencies. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.